A very useful tool that can really be very helpful in monitoring learning generally, but also particularly with assessment, is thinking about creating rubrics that you can use to assess students' completion of those direct measures. A rubric is a scoring guide that explicitly outlines the criteria that are going to be used to evaluate students' work and giving them a rating based on their level of performance. So distinguishing between something that might be exemplary or showing mastery levels versus things that it might be showing proficiency or areas that might need improvement. In the creation of rubrics, it's good to think that, or to remember that they are criterion based. And so you are looking at how each student met a criteria versus thinking about the course as a whole in terms of whether, where students are fitting in that realm. So it is very much based on students being compared to that criteria to determine their performance. They can be used to examine how well students have met the pre-established criteria versus how they've compared to their peers. And so it is, again, about that student's performance. And they typically include specific, observable, and measurable descriptors that can define expectations for those different levels of performance for each of those criteria.